Hey everyone, today we're going to be talking about this pack of eyeliner pens. So you get 6 in various different colors, and let me just talk about these. I think they're so gorgeous. Let me pick up the black one right here. As you can see, there's little crystals inside and they shimmer. They are so cute. And as you can see, you get a purple, blue, light blue, pink, and gold as well. So let me open it up so you guys can see what it looks like. So just by pulling it, you can see that it comes open, and they all come with this little plastic to protect the tip. But let me show you just how small this thing is. It is definitely going to help me with finer details of my makeup and things like that. But the cool thing is that actually these aren't just the same ones. You actually have longer tips, such as this one, for example. Take a look at that. It's definitely bigger than the black one for sure. So whether you need something that's going to help you draw your eyeliner or draw some other makeup on your face, these are great. I want to put them next to each other so you guys can see that there's definitely a difference of size. They continue to grow, so you have so many options to choose from. As you can see, take a look at this tip. It definitely differs from this one, which differs from this one. So whether you need something small and controlled or something more free moving like the gold one, these are amazing to do your makeup. It definitely helped me do my eyeliner, which I struggled with for so many years. So definitely go check them out. These are great.